Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video using the August My Monthly Hero Kit from Hero Arts. This beautiful kit has lots of great products to create a variety of cards in different styles, and I'm excited to share some ideas with you today, so let's get started. First, I have a scrap piece of Hero Hues Canary cardstock, which is a beautiful soft yellow color. This kit contains the pretty stencil that I've sprayed with pixie spray, and I'm going to temporarily adhere it to my Canary cardstock. The pixie spray is a temporary and repositionable adhesive that will hold all the delicate lines of the stencil in place. I place a piece of copy paper over the stencil and use my hands to press the stencil into the cardstock. Then, just to be safe, I tape the edges of the stencil down with washi tape. Next, I use Hero Arts blending brushes to apply Dandelion hybrid ink across the panel. I concentrate a little more color on the inner part of the rays and the outer edges, but go over the full panel. Since I'm using colored cardstock, you'll see the lighter yellow color when I lift the stencil. Next, I blend Creamsicle Reactive ink around the inner part of the rays and the outer edges. I love that you can use all the different types of Hero Arts inks together to get the color blends you're looking for. After I finish the creamsicle, I add just a little fruit punch ink to the same spots, but I'm careful to not cover up the creamsicle. This just gives it a little extra pop of color. I go back with my creamsicle ink to blend the colors together and make sure there are no harsh edges. Once I'm finished blending, I carefully remove the washi tape and lift my stencil. I set the panel aside to dry and clean off the stencil. Once my panel is completely dry, I place the stencil over the blended panel one more time and temporarily adhere it in place. This time, I take my embossing and watermark ink pad and carefully swipe the corner of it along the design of the stencil, lifting my hand as I reach the center of the panel. I want to add just a little touch of ink to the panel without covering all of my ink blending. I lift the stencil and sprinkle the panel with gold glitter embossing powder. If the coverage is too heavy, I'll use a clean dry paintbrush to remove the excess powder before heating. I can also tap firmly on the back of the panel to remove some of the powder. I heat it with my embossing tool to get a soft and subtle sparkle. Then I repeat the process once more to add a little more glitter. You can add as much or as little glitter as you'd like. Once I'm done, I trim the panel down to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 A2 panel. Off camera, I stamped a sentiment from the kit onto pitch black cardstock and heat embossed it with gold glitter embossing powder. I use a nesting rectangle infinity die to die cut the sentiment and then adhere it to my blended panel with foam mounting tape. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!